Today, I'm just going to give you a very light touch on some of our key functionality and a quick overview. We have a project list, which is completely permissions-based, and it has key information about each of the projects. When you go into the projects, it's going to talk to you about that digital procurement schedule. So ensuring that everything is now digitized in one place, better data, better access, and able to alter the way that you can see it. Cost codes, trades, taken from your financial systems, ensuring that they're talking. Who have we progressed with? Who are we talking to? Our budgets, our financials, our program key dates, and our milestones. So we're able to see exactly what our team need to do. And we're able to customize this to suit our business as well. Importantly, this automatically updates. So you do the work and it's going to automate that tick. We also have a few different views, as I mentioned. So timeline view is a highly appreciated view for weekly catch-ups, able to see all of your trades and how you're performing. But importantly, you can filter it, you can sort it, and you can start to see what is a critical trade, what is a warning trade, and what's going to cause you problems. We also have tender coverage. So tender coverage, another great view. It gives you a list of all of your trades that you're procuring, their current statuses, all of the documents that you need to or have sent to your supply chain. It also gives you that overview. So have we received a quote? Are they intended to quote? Have they declined to quote? Utilizing filters, we can identify any insufficient coverage. So making it easy for your teams to understand where there's a potential risk. Do we need to add some more vendors? Do we need to get on the phone to get the quotes that they need? When you come back to the list view, going through a trade, which I'm going to go through, is the groundworks trade. There are three key modules: scoping, vendor selection, and contract. The scope module is a generator whereby you have a scope of works library, highly efficient and highly effective across large businesses, and templates to ensure consistency across the board. Same with the contracts. You have your contracts, you upload them into the platform, you select your templates, they're all in there, and allows your teams to quick and easily create them. Within the vendor selection, which is where I'm going to focus on, we have a few tabs across the top: summary, tender, price breakdown, addendums, messages, Excel comparison, and recommendation. This just shows you that you do it from start to finish. So you've got that whole workflow from issuing your tender, getting your quotes back, doing the comparison, and that recommendation. And again, some of the key information here is in your summary, you've got overview of all of your vendors. And likewise, you've got that information around your vendors. So where is their tendering history with the business, opportunities or risk? You've got contract history, you've got rating criteria as well. Everything is stored in platform, so you're never going to lose a version of the quotations that you've received. Everything's in one platform. Our tendering is very simple. You attach the documents that you need to include and automatically save them. What we've also got is integrations with some document control systems so that you can automate what you send. If they ever get revised, you get a notification saying that that document has been updated, and then you can send it. Coming over to Excel comparison, once you've got your quotes returned and you need to do your comparison, you can quick and easily do so in Excel. It's completely flexible. If you can do it in Excel now, you can do it in Excel in our platform. So this is completely customizable to you to suit your business. But here is an example where you can see all of the figures pulling through right to the end where you can see your performance. You can even include, the likes of non-cost comparisons, ESGs, all that might be that you need to compare. Once you've selected who you want to progress with, it's really quick and easy. You select that vendor, they've performed well, they're the most competitive, therefore they're the best value, and you move into that recommendation stage. The majority of this is pre-completed for you. But there are a few aspects that you can customize, such as commercial terms, non-cost comparison, or whatever it may be. We've got a few other bits here. One of them is the ability to automate the tender letters being issued to supply chain, which is a low-level admin task that sometimes gets pushed away. Likewise, if we come back to that Excel comparison, what we've got is the ability to check pricing against market rates. So we have a pricing library, which is all of your quotations in one place. So you're able to have access to all of your quotes across your business at your fingertips. And then you're able to use an AI search feature. So you type in whichever you want to find, and then it's going to extract that information and it's going to tell you where you can start delving into the information. Once you send your recommendation for an approval, real quick and easy, you send it around based on your delegated authorities. They will get an email notification for them to then come in, reject, request changes, or approve. Not showing you the contract today. We've got a few other bits here. It's the reports. This is highly beneficial, gives you an overview of all of your business in one place. Project overview, vendor history, you've got vendor insights at your fingertips. You can see how many times subcontractors have priced for you and how many times they've been successful. There's a whole host more to this, but I won't run through it today.